In the garden next to the house, a watermelon grows in a large orchard. Sweet, juicy, and green, will be sticky up to our elbows.
In the garden next to the house, a watermelon grows in a large orchard. In the garden next to the house, a watermelon grows in a large orchard.
Exquisite watermelon salad, delicious, juicy, beneficial, nutritious, with shrimp, avocado, and greens, a unique summer delicacy. Watermelon juice, like a true miracle, tastier and more beneficial than any in the world. It will fill us with strength and fresh energy. Every sip will be remembered in summer.
Watermelon juice, like a true miracle, tastier and more beneficial than any in the world.
The scent of gardens and watermelon jam, the care and love of our grandmother. Feel the love in your life too.
The scent of gardens in watermelon jam, the care and love of our grandmother. The scent of gardens in watermelon jam, the care and love of our grandmother.
We apply our watermelon in natural skincare, fresh appearance and beauty, the unique magic of watermelon.
Fresh appearance and beauty, the unique magic of watermelon. Fresh appearance and beauty, the unique magic of watermelon.
Our immune system will always strengthen when we eat a ripe watermelon to our heart's content. It will protect our bodies from viruses and bacteria, enriching us with vitamins and microelements. It will greatly improve our health. We'll add juicy watermelon to the cake, drench it in aroma, capture it in a photo. Our birthday celebrant will remember it forever.
Our birthday celebrant will remember it forever. Our birthday celebrant will remember it forever. Our birthday celebrant will remember it forever. Our birthday celebrant will remember it forever.
We serve our watermelon, joyfully and cheerfully, symbolizing life and beauty. It will crown the celebration.
Symbolizing life and beauty.